In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and transfer bookmarks from Firefox. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring bookmarks from an HTML file into Firefox, so everything you care about online is right where you expect it. First, make sure Firefox is open on your computer. Look to the upper right corner of the window for the menu icon. It's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the main menu. This is where Firefox keeps most of its tools and settings, including everything related to bookmarks. From the menu, choose Bookmarks. You'll see your existing bookmarks and folders, but what we want is the place where you can organize and import them. Go ahead and select Manage Bookmarks. This opens the library window, a dedicated space for organizing your bookmarks, history, and saved items. Think of it as your control center for tidying up and moving things around. At the top of the library window, find the button labeled Import and Backup. Click it to reveal a small list of options related to saving, restoring, and bringing bookmarks into Firefox. Choose Import Bookmarks from HTML. This tells Firefox you want to pull in bookmarks from a file you've already saved to your computer. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the HTML file that contains your bookmarks. This file might have come from another browser or from a previous export you did in Firefox. Select the file, then click Open. Firefox will import the bookmarks right away. There's no extra confirmation screen, so give it a moment to complete. To see the results, look back in the library window. Your imported bookmarks typically appear inside your bookmarks section, often in a folder labeled Imported or nested within the bookmarks menu. If you had folders in the original file, Firefox preserves that structure so you can keep everything organized. If you spot duplicates, you can right-click any item to rename or delete it, or drag and drop bookmarks into the folders where you want them to live. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Import and Backup button, make sure you're in the library window that opened after choosing Manage Bookmarks, not just the small bookmarks drop-down. If your HTML file isn't showing, double-check that you're in the correct folder and that the file type filter includes HTML. And if you have a large set of bookmarks, give Firefox a moment. Big imports can take a few extra seconds. That's it. You've successfully imported and transferred bookmarks into Firefox, keeping your browsing life organized and seamless.